Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create a stunning sunflower painting using acrylics. I am using flat brush and starting with yellow for initial steps. As we paint the leaves and shapes of the flower, this serves as our base layer. So this gives us a solid foundation for rest of the artwork. About the sunflower, these flowers hold a special place in my heart as they symbolize loyalty and devotion. I've always been captivated by the way they turn to face the sun and following its path throughout the day. And at my workplace, I'm fortunate to encounter these lovely sunflowers, and I take pictures and I just stare at them. These are really adorable. To set the scene, I have chosen a lush green background. Now I am delving into the details using dark yellow for shading. Now I am working on the middle section of the flower that looks like brown, green, yellow, all kinds of shades. If you see a sunflower, you can see all kinds of these shades. So I'll do one by one all the colors. Gradually, I am using yellow and green to bring our sunflower to life. I truly believe that sunflowers are like little rays of sunshine in our lives. So to enhance the brightness, I am using lemon yellow to shade some of the brightest area. And for added depth, a touch of red helps create those deeper shadows. So in this painting basically I have used yellow, lemon yellow, red, brown, green, light green, white. Yep, that's it. These colors I've used. And I'll be using black for outlining. Now for the finishing touch, I'm using black to make it pop, and I'm highlighting a few key areas with black as well. There you have it. Our sunflower is shining like the sun itself. I hope you have enjoyed this creative journey with me. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more exciting art projects like this. Your support means a lot to me.